Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the lid hinge on your top load washer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll need to raise the lid into the upright position. And typically you'll find that there are two screws on the edge of that lid that secure it to that hinge pin. So that'll be our next step, will be to remove those two screws. Then we can gently lift up on that lid, separate it from the hinge, and pull the hinge out of the spring mount that is located below the main top. These screws will be a number 15 Torx head screw, so be sure to use the proper bit. We'll save the screws to reuse on the new hinge. Now next we're just going to carefully lift up on that lid. Try not to apply too much pressure to the right hand side. We'll lift it away from the existing hinge and then simply pull that away from the spring mechanism that's located below the main top. If it doesn't pull out easily, which you may find on models that have a bleach dispenser back in that left hand corner, they may be rusted into place, so you'll need to lift the main top and apply some penetrating fluid to kind of break that up. Once we've removed that old hinge, we can discard it. Then we'll insert it back into the opening on the side of that top. Make sure it engages the spring mechanism inside. Then we'll lift the lid up. Set it on top of that hinge. Lower it down into place. Now when reinstalling the mounting screws, we do suggest that you put a little drop of thread locker on that. That'll keep those from coming loose. We'll tighten both screws securely, and then we can close the lid back up. And your repair is complete.